Hi friends, today we'll talk about linking with your higher will. What is this higher will and how we can link with it? So higher will, or you can call it as a divine will, or you can call it as connecting with God or a goddess. Everything is the same. You are connecting with your higher will is nothing but you are connecting with your higher consciousness. What is this higher consciousness? It is a moving current. Okay, it is moving current or a moving energy that carries towards your higher evolution, not the lower. So it's a gentle stream of love and spiritual energy that leads everything into the everything in all the kingdoms, like human kingdom, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and everything. It leads to the it leads. There is a divine plan to the universe. Do you all agree? There is always a divine plan to this universe. Don't expect that the plan means it is in the form of a guidelines or about some specific forms or anything. It won't be having it. Divine plan is nothing but a spiritual energy that you have, a higher vibration that you have, the greater precision to move the physical world into the higher consciousness and to get the highest evolution. That is the divine plan. So how do we connect to your divine plan? So and how do you work with it? So simply willing to have that your life can be taken into the higher order. Be open, be allow that all the good things into your life. Believe that you deserve the best. Believe that you always deserve the best. So you align with your higher self and your life will become more harmonious and so satisfying. There is a always, do you agree that our life purpose did not come just like that? We didn't come to this earth planet just to enjoy, just to have the study, family, kids, responsible. Not just this. We have some higher purpose. The why we came on this earth. That higher purpose we have to connect. We came to this earth planet to make some special contribution. So what is the special? Everybody came to this earth planet to serve the humanity in some way or the other. Somewhere if you are doing some work, if it is using only for yourself, then it is not actually aligning with your higher purpose. You are doing that in your free will. So if you are doing something and if it is going to serve the humanity at large, not just you, then you are actually aligning to your higher purpose. Each one will serve the humanity in a different way. Okay, each one may choose the different way. So when you are serving the humanity, what will happen is you actually evolve yourself. When you actually evolve yourself, you radiate more light. When you are radiating more light and energy, so you will be in the higher energy and you will serve more to the humanity. This is how it will happen when you actually align with your higher self and higher will. To keep touch with your purpose and vision as it expands and grows. So when you are keeping touch with your higher will, it expands and it grows. You can discover your life work through examining the skills you love to use, the things you love to do, and areas you naturally drawn. You need not things that you don't like. You just try to get the things that you love to do and serve in that areas only. Okay, honor the messages that are coming from your deepest, or for all of us will get, oh, I want to do that, I want that kind of things, right? You will come from your deepest. Honor those messages. If it is coming as a dream, don't just throw them as a dreams. So some message is coming that you wanted to serve for the society. Honor those messages and you can serve the society. Society at large. So when you are connecting with your higher self, you have a greater love, greater order. You will have a harmony with your life. When you are a harmony with your life, you will be able to think more broadly and do better things. Suppose if you are want to, let us take a simple example, right? How you do feel. Suppose you want to call some of your friend or relatives for something, then close your eyes. Imagine that you are already calling them. Okay, or imagine that you calling them and how actually your body is feeling. Is that body is feeling higher energies or lower energies? So if the body is feeling higher energies, the other person is also willing, and you are able to, whatever the work that you are going to call, you are able to, you can succeed. So you, in that way you can work any work. If you are doing, just close and try to connect your higher will, and higher will always tell you, always, it is always trying to give you the best possible in the fastest manner. So higher will not make you delay any work. So you can try to connect with your higher self. It will always give you the best possible things. You can know that your higher will by listening within. So just calm down and listen within. You will be able to listen what your higher will is saying. I am aligning with your higher will guide you the actions that produce the results that you want. Whatever the results you want, it will try to produce. So here he has given a one example, right? A woman, the salesperson, she has to call different people, right? So when she wants to call the different people, what she is trying to do is like she connect to the higher will, and if she feels that a positive vibes or positive energy, then only she calls. Then that call was a successful call, and she is able to connect to the other customer or whoever, and able to make that conversation a fruitful one. Sometimes when even though the energy was not high, if she calls, she may get that other person is busy, or she cat up the other person in a bad mood. Something is going to happen, and the call is not successful. That's how she started. No, I'll connect always. I'll align with my higher will. Connect the greater awareness of your energy. You try to have that greater awareness how the energy is actually flowing. When you're trying to call, is the energy is flowing higher will, positive way, or it's a negative way? So if you can be aware of those energies, then you can definitely do a better job whenever you are trying to connect with your higher will. You can align with the higher will listening to your inner messages. Always try to listen to your inner messages. Always the inner messages, the higher will messages are very loving and gentle. They all higher will always try to help you only. The difference between, you may see that whenever I close the eyes, whether the message coming from my inner will or my intellect, you may get it right. Suppose whatever the message you got, just analyze, is there any fear? Out of fear that message came, or just the normal message? If the message came with the fear, then that came from your intellect. Guilt, scare or something, if you get, then it is an intellect. So otherwise it is from your higher will. Soon you will get, once you practice this the higher will connection, you will be able to get whether it is coming from your higher will or it is just coming from your mind. You will be able to do it. So whenever you get something, should I have to do it or should not have? So think that whenever you want to do that work, are you feeling a pleasure? If you are feeling pleasure, then higher will you are aligning with. Oh, I have to do this. Then you are not aligning with your higher will. You are actually going against your higher will. So always remember how higher current is linked with your higher will, whether that current is giving you a positive or a lower energies. If it is giving positive energies, then go ahead and do it. Take time to relax, friends, and relax so that you will be able to listen to your inner voices, inner messages. Because don't keep the things like one after the other, do one after the other. Instead of that, give some space between the things and think. Connect to your higher will, connect to your higher energies so that you will be able to do better things. You can greatly increase the joy and ease of your life by taking the time to think about the things in a calm, peaceful state. You will be able to, you are the co-creator. As I told you yesterday, you are the co-creator of what you want. So you are going to create the things by connecting to your higher will. You have to work with your higher will. You are the one who carries out your work to make the difference in the world, friends. We can make the world difference. So how? By connecting to your higher will, by making, you will become so much strengthy, and you are unique to assist effectively carrying the purpose of your life. We have to carry our purpose of life. What is the purpose of life? We have to serve the humanity in some way, the way that we choose. So whatever the way we choose, we have to do. So again, there is a question, right? So anything that you are doing with ease, that means you are connecting with your higher self. Anything that you are doing, if you are doing pushing very hard, then you are not connecting with your higher will. You are doing at your free will. So remember, whenever you are connecting with the higher will, the things that you take up will go very peacefully ease. Now, when you are not connecting with the higher will, the things will go very not in a hard way. Okay, it will they will go in a very hard way, friends. Hope you will try to connect with your higher will and do experiments, and you can achieve your life purpose, and you can lead a joyful life, and you can find out the purpose of your life, and you can lead in that way. Thank you, friends.